Greetings everyone, my name is Lucas and I'm here to talk with you about RoboFEI Home, and ERA, our robot, which stands for Home Environment Robot Assistant. We are from Brazil, more specifically São Bernardo do Campo, São Paulo, and from here on out I'll be talking to you a little bit more our structure and how we organize our robots. So for starters, the software that we are using is ROS Melodic Morenia and the Ubuntu 18.04, which both of them will be soon upgraded to ROS 2 and Ubuntu 20.04. For the processing part, we are using a Zotac ZBox EN1060K, which has an Intel Core i5 paired with a GTX 1060 GPU. For the sensors, we are using the Microsoft Kinect V2 and the Action 3D sensor for our image feed and all of our vision system purposes, that being object detection and recognition. For our navigation, we are using the Hokuyu sensors, which are laser sensors placed both on the front and on the back of the robot. And speaking of navigation, our omnidirectional wheels are there to save us some time and give us some more maneuverability while in tight spaces. And also the manipulator, which has changed a little bit since the last competition, is now a 6DOF manipulator with 3D printed grippers. And finishing off, the head has an iPad 2, which is responsible for showing that face that you can see on the left picture. Two Rode mics for the audio inputs so that they can be captured, and the Matrix Creator board, which is a device that can locate where did the sounds came from, actually the inputs that we are giving it. So the improvements and upgrades that we have made on our robot. First of all, the manipulator is entirely new. It has a new gripper, as we've said before. The old gripper relied on the pores that shaped the gripper to the object. This one doesn't, it hugs the object. Our vision system has been upgraded with the replacement of the old Kinect V1 to a Kinect V2, which can improve our image quality and give us more accurate results. And the virtualization process was very important due to the pandemics, and that we spent more time to give some attention to some areas that were needed and to make the model robot as precise and real to the world as possible. Our scientific contributions to the robotic societies are as follows. The first one is the social navigation, which is a better way for a robot to navigate. It's been being developed by one of our team members. It basically recognizes boundaries, social boundaries, while in a social environment, and tells the robot to step away from it so that it cannot go through it and ruin the moment. And the face mask recognition is something that we've seen to be proven very useful, since we are now obliged to use face masks for our safety and for COVID-19. So this recognition can judge if someone is or isn't wearing a mask, and by doing so, if the person isn't or is or not complying with the rules of the establishment that he or she may be in. Down below are all of our team members in the alphabetical orders. We thank you very much for your attention, and we are open to answer any doubts or questions that you may have. Thank you.